Welcome back, Dine's Nation, to another show from Dine's Kitchen channel. Today, I will be preparing for you a powered punch. These are the ingredients. You will need 4 fingers of green banana, cut like this, a pack of mega punch, some molasses, a bottle of Magnum, and some nutmeg. To 3 cups of water, we will add the bananas and we will leave them to cook for about 15 minutes. When this is cooked and cool, we'll be right back to continue with the next process. Yes, guys, I am back. So I pour the boiled banana into the blender, and to this I will add some condensed milk, a little molasses, the Magnum, the mega punch, and this contains pumpkin seed, peanut, oats, Irish moss, and flax seed. To that I will add some nutmeg and then some ice. I'll cover and blend. Look, guys, look how thick this is. Look at that. Look on the spoon. Look at the seeds, the nuts, the peanuts. Look at that. Yes, guys, this punch is high in zinc, fiber, and protein. Look at that. Look at the thickness. Look. It will boost your manhood naturally. Did you hear that, men? It will boost your manhood naturally. Tap the subscribe and like button so you can learn how to prepare these meals. Go ahead and enjoy this mega punch. See you in my next video. One love.